All right, welcome to Jeep Solo. I haven't made a video in a long time, so this is what I've been up to. It's taken probably 2 or 3 years to get here, and this is my maiden voyage or shakedown with the Dana 44s front and rear. It's a Rubicon Dana 44 front and a JK non-Rubicon rear with lunchbox locker, because I think I'm going to switch out that rear axle to a Dana 60 at some point. But so far so good. I've been tooling around here on my property, just kind of driving over dirt piles and things and testing all the flex and stuff. So we've got some rubbing issues, but here, let's kind of walk around this thing. So I guess the biggest upgrade is the 40-inch tires. So these are 40s, and I had to get new drive shafts. So this is from Todd at East County Drive Shafts in San Diego, or El Cajon. He did both of these drive shafts, and I got oh man, I think these are AntiRock 7-inch lift springs. And then these are my original shock absorbers from Rough Country. This is a Rough Country long arm lift, and it came initially with 4-inch lift springs, and so I'm assuming these are 4-inch lift shock absorbers. But I ended up moving the shock absorber mounts to the center of the axle, so they're not hanging down below the axle anymore. You can see I've still got some brake line issues to work on. My brake lines are just kind of zip tied on right now. But that's the new axle in the rear. And then you can see here we've got some clearancing issues to work on. It looks like I'm gonna have to do some trimming back here. And then I'll probably take this out up to this line here, all the way around, and then around this door. I can fold it in right along this edge here, all the way around. And then I think it should be almost fully compressed, so that should give it enough room. Yeah, you can see that shock absorber's got about 1 inch left on it. And then I need to get some sort of a bump stop going. Let's see. Up here in the front, I have not yet hooked up my oh dang, something's leaking. Okay, well, I am just now noticing that. So that's either the brakes or we've got an axle seal that's leaking, so I need to figure that out. Wow, that's a lot of leaking. So we've got a few bugs to work out. My steering, I've got a new steering box to put in here, which I haven't done yet. And then I also got the Ironman off-road steering box stabilizer, and also the track bar stabilizer that it goes from this side over here across and bolts up over there. So I've ordered those, but I haven't put them in. You can see this is the Dana 44 that was trussed. It's got the electric locker, which I actually haven't hooked up the electric locker yet. So we're not getting a locked front end right now, but it's still doing pretty insane. I'm super stoked here. I guess that's it. We've got our Badland winch up here that is super useful. I love that thing. And I guess that's it for now. I'll make an updated video once I make some more adjustments. Thanks. Oh, and there were a few questions on the lunchbox locker on the 60, because I had to use a few more throw-out shims. I think I used 2 sets of throw-out shims to close up the gap, and it seems to be working just fine. If I make a sharp turn, it makes the popping sound, and yeah, I would say it's working the way it should. So, all right, tune in and give me any comments or suggestions you've got. Thanks. Bye.